Hi guys, it's Josh, and today we'll be unboxing my new LeBron's. I'm just gonna make a little bit so you can see the whole thing, but here it is. The box is pretty cool. It says summer. I think this is? Yeah, I think this is summer. I don't know, but here we go. Ooh, these look cool. So here's what's inside the box. Here are the shoes. These are pretty cool. I have 3 sets of LeBron's now. One of them is they're pretty old. I wore them for like 2 years. But here are these. These look pretty cool. These are Velcro. This is how you use them. Let's find out. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to find out how to use them. But here's the thing for the shoe. It has a LeBron logo right there. That's just some recycling stuff. I'll recycle this. Remember, recycle your stuff, kids. So this is how you use them. You do this. There you go. And then you kind of like shoes. You have to see this. Let me see. You do this. You don't put it all the way out yet, but that's how you get them on. Then you put them on, and then you're wearing them. These are pretty cool. I like the design of the shoes. They're pretty lit. They're pretty smooth. This looks pretty good. Pretty cool. Look at the other shoe. One second. Got it. So I take it out. Same thing, recycle. You can't see that well, but that's the LeBron logo. This has a Nike. Pretty cool. The shoe design, 10 out of 10. Another great shoes by LeBron. Nike. Please do not copyright me. These are pretty cool shoes. I actually keep collections of keep the boxes. Here's one of my old boxes right over here. It has some Pokemon cards in it, but here's one of the old ones that I have. The box design for this one I think was better than this one, but not by that much. I like the let's see. Okay, so that's why. It has this. It has LeBron's name on the back of the other old one. You can't see it that well. This is scuffed. Then it has the stuff right here that shows you how it was made. Pretty cool. I would recommend buying these, without a doubt. There's a LeBron logo right there in the box. These shoes were obviously bigger than the other ones. I'm gonna compare these to my first one and the third one, since LeBron has won 3 rings. I don't have them right now, but I'll get them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned, Pokeball Squad. There's gonna be a lot of gaming videos. I'm finally at summer break. Anything you want to say, Sparky? Bye, gosh. See you soon.